Hello everyone, today we are doing a very quick unboxing of the new Pixel 8 that has just arrived. Arrived at the same time as the complimentary Pixel Bud Pro earphones. Let's open the package immediately with the customary pieces of paper that aid in opening it rapidly. And here it is, the beautiful Pixel 8, gray color, already feels great in hand. There is no typical plastic material attached all around, but only this piece of paper material attached on top of the item in question. Let's proceed with the removal immediately, as it is imperative. Here it is, showcasing its full splendor, containing all the magnificent contents of the package. USB cable with adapter, we no longer find the charger, and here there will be the usual. The manuals provided are often useless, but I believe the pin should be inserted here for the SIM card, even though we remember it. It is worth noting that this device also supports other features apart from SIM card functionality. The virtual SIM, the Pixel. That's all for the Pixel. Let's also open the Bud Pro, which however is another product worth exploring and discussing. A product that is already known to others, but personally, I have never had the opportunity to experience it myself. However, in this particular case, I am presented with the opportunity to familiarize myself with the product through the two instances that are being discussed. For headphones, I selected a green color. Hello everyone, guys.